Hey guys, today is going to be one of those videos you watch and then immediately share with your friends. I am showing you how to get free crypto that you can actually withdraw. Today we are diving deep into what is a crypto airdrop and how does it actually work. I have been doing this for months now and I want to share everything I know with you. First let me explain what crypto airdrops actually are. An airdrop is when a cryptocurrency project gives away free tokens to users. They do this to promote their platform and attract new users. The beautiful thing is you do not need to invest any money. You just complete simple tasks and earn tokens. I want to stop here for a second because this is super important. Now let me show you exactly how I use MetaMask to claim airdrops on Polygon. The first thing you need to do is download MetaMask from the official website or app store. It is completely free. Once you have your wallet set up you will get a wallet address. This is like your bank account number for crypto. Step 1 is to find legitimate airdrops. I use dedicated airdrop tracking websites to find new projects. Always look for projects with real websites, active social media, and clear white papers. Never trust airdrops that ask you to send crypto first. Step 2 is to connect your MetaMask wallet to the airdrop platform. This is safe as long as you are on the official website. You just click connect wallet and approve the connection. Step 3 is to complete the required tasks. These usually include following on Twitter, joining Telegram, and sometimes testing the platform. Each completed task earns you points or tokens. The pro tip that most people miss is to join airdrops as early as possible. Early participants usually get more tokens because the supply is larger before other users join. I set alerts for new project launches so I can join within the first few hours. Another strategy some people discuss is using multiple wallets, but you need to be careful. Some projects ban duplicate accounts, so always read the official rules first. The smarter approach is to track many legitimate projects. Stay early, and keep your wallet security clean. Now let me talk about avoiding scams. If an airdrop asks you to send crypto to receive crypto, treat it as a scam. Legitimate airdrops should not ask for your seed phrase, private key, or upfront payment. Also be careful of fake websites that look like real projects. Always double check the URL before connecting your wallet. Let me share the kind of result people look for using these strategies on Polygon. Some users report rewards around $120 during active campaigns, but results are never guaranteed. Token values move, eligibility rules change, and you should verify everything before spending time on a project. The key is consistency. I spend about 15 to 20 minutes per day checking new airdrops and completing tasks. That is it. The rest happens automatically as the tokens accumulate in my wallet. So that is my complete airdrop playbook. I have been using this exact strategy for months and I have never had a withdrawal fail. The link to join is in the description below. It is free, it works, and you can start today. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss my next video where I reveal even more crypto earning strategies. See you there.